Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel E.G.O Outdoors, and in today's video what I'd like to show you is how we use the bill hook to save our knives like we done a fortnight ago. My friend Andy basically bent his Travis Grama blade to a point he couldn't actually use it anymore, so my friend here Tommy's got to show us how we use the bill hook. This is a Fiskars bill hook. It's been adapted slightly. It's basically your standard bill hook that we get for the stores. Okay Tommy, so hitting for the underside and just clearing the branches like this. Make sure you hit for the underside of the branch. There we go, and just clearing the branches. And this is what it's kind of made for. There we go, nice clean cut right through. And just work your way through, trying to keep the trunk between you and the yourself to stop it coming through and scalping you in the legs. So there we go, just turning it over. So starting from the underside of the branch, a quick hit. This is first time using this tool. Go to the next one. That's it. Oh, got there in the banking. That's all there is to it, and this will definitely save your knives. I've used this for quite a few months now and it's done really good. I've had different styles of your bill hooks. I found this one to be most convenient to pack into your rucksack or your bergen, and it comes in a good plastic sheath cover, you can see, and nice orange handle so it's easy to see when we're out in the woods. Great bit of tool, about £40 in price. Canny Grumble does a great job. Well, thanks again for coming along to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Cheers Tommy.
Cheers.